I think the first question you have to ask yourself is, do you even like electronics and computers and all those things? Because hacking's more about a mindset. It's about wanting to dive into something so deep that you learn everything there is to learn about it and you figure out new ways to use it or vulnerabilities that exist in a system. I like mechanical things as well and machining and learning how to make clocks because super intricate things are incredibly interesting to me. And so, if you dive into that enough as well, that could be considered hacking. If you want to learn, the thing is, it's learning as much as you can about anything. So find whatever it is that is the most interesting thing to you, like you cannot stop thinking about it, and start there. Because you're going to need a serious love of whatever it is to expend the amount of effort required to learn enough to start hacking it. So start with a passion, I would say.